First, we would like to talk about safety before you use the machine.
Ati mukutaliga banda kupandulula ibubotu gajeji zintu.
Yeah, you see, my colleagues, they are wearing safety clothes. I'm not wearing them, but I will wear them.
Ati uti mwabalanga benyi nembu balirimwe aba balisamite hintu hirigwa biliha.
Greetings to everyone. My name is Rudy, reporting live from Zambia, Southern Province, Gwembe District to be specific. So we are here to implement a project called SAFE by Program Against Malnutrition, PAM. So under this project implementation, we have a component that we call building resilience. So we are here to ensure that our farmers are ready in case of any disastrous happens in the region. So if you go to your search bars, you look at Gwembe, you will find that Gwembe is a valley. And that tells you to say it is not all the time that these people have enough food to feed their animals, because most of the time the place is dry. And that's where now this machinery that you are seeing behind me comes to play a role. It helps them to turn the raw materials like grass, sunflower, corn, and many more, combine them into something nutritious, store them, and be able to feed these animals so that they are able to like continue growing and also continue being as a source of food to the people in the community. So as Program Against Malnutrition, we are not only giving these machineries to the cooperative and leave them there. We are always ensuring that the trainings are done, the support needed is done. We are always available to assist them when they need us. For this, we know to say if we assist a certain group of people, we are ensured that they will be able to share the knowledge with other people. So together with Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, we are here to implement this project and ensure that the machineries that are delivered are put into good use. Thank you.